Welcome back. Today I am sharing my go-to dinner recipe for the family. This recipe is great because I usually have all the ingredients on hand, and the best part is you can really throw in anything you want. So if it's one of those weeks you need to clear out your refrigerator, this is a great recipe for that. The ingredients I had on hand today is 1 can of black beans, frozen corn, vegan cheese, marinara sauce, whole wheat tortillas, fresh spinach, red onion, green pepper, and brown rice. I have already prepped the onion, bell pepper, and rice, so I'm going to throw that into a skillet with a little oil and let that cook down. Once the onion and bell pepper are a little soft, I'm going to throw in the black beans, which I strained, frozen corn, and brown rice. I usually have brown rice made in bulk for the week. I just throw it into the Instapot. I cook it for 20 minutes and it's done for the week. So any meal that I want to add in brown rice, it's so nice to have that on hand. I'm going to mix all this together and let it warm up, and then I'm going to throw in some spinach for some greens. Spinach is a great addition for sneaking in greens with any kid meal because the taste gets hidden really easily when you add marinara sauce or other seasonings, so I love adding in spinach whenever I can. I'm going to add in some seasonings for taste, and this can go any way depending on your preference. Today I'm using black pepper, salt, taco seasoning, and garlic. Once again, I'm going to mix this all together and let the spinach cook down. Next, I have a square glass pan and I sprayed it with a little coconut oil, and I'm just going to take a tortilla and fill it with the mixture. Top it off with some cheese and roll it up. I try to fit as many as I can in whatever pan I am using. Here I have my marinara sauce, but of course you can use enchilada sauce or whatever other sauce you have on hand. But today this is what I had in the fridge, and I'm going to pour it on top. I try to cover every area of the tortilla so the sauce really seeps in and all around the burrito. I'm going to now top it off with my vegan cheese, and then I'm just going to cover it up until we're ready to pop it in the oven and warm it up for dinner. I also still have some mixture left over, which is great for a burrito bowl the next day. And here we have it. The presentation isn't perfect, but I can tell you it tasted amazing and the whole family really loved it. I hope you try it out, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.